Hello and welcome to Paul Sherry RVs, paulsherryrv.com. I have a 1999 Forest River Sunseeker. It's a 280. I'd love to show it to you, so if you would, follow me. We're right here north of Dayton, Ohio. Pickle, Ohio. We just got snow and it's a beautiful day here in the sunshine, 32 degrees. I have the generator running. I got the furnace on inside, nice and cozy. So if you would, follow me and I'll show you the coach. Nice full-length awning. Complete pass-through storage. That is huge storage. It's got newer tires on it. Has a spare tire. Hitched with the 55-pound rating. Here's the other side of the pass-through. Has lights at both ends, easy access. It is a smooth fiberglass, no delaminations, very clean unit, 1999. Hot water heater. We have the generator running. The Generac furnace is on. It's on the Super Duty Ford V10. The snow is not extra. We'll give that free charge. So if you will, follow me inside. Nice and warm inside, so let's step in. $19.99 Forest River Sunseeker. It has 48,972 miles. Power windows and locks. Cruise control, overdrive. Air conditioning. Of course, above the driver and passenger, there's a big queen bed. Overhead cabinets, has a dinette that lays into a bed with cup holders, day-night shades, has a nice jackknife sofa that lays into a bed. Overhead cabinets, tons of storage, has a big 8 cubic foot refrigerator freezer, runs off propane and electric. When we deliver coach, we fill the propane bottle, clean it inside and out, and we guarantee everything to work. We give you a walk around and show you how and that everything works. It has a ducted roof air. Here's a little pan back with the dinette that lays down and the sofa, so they're right across from each other. The generator's running right now. Hot water heater. It does have the Arctic pack, which is heated holding tanks. It has heating pads on the holding tank. So the hot water heater is gas and electric. There's the electric and there's the switch for the gas. Storage everywhere. $19.99. Absolutely a deal. $19.99 Forest River Sunseeker. It's a 280 model. Retails at $22,800. A low sale price of $18,781. In the back, obviously, nice linoleum flooring. A low step into the shower. Natural lighting and additional headroom as well. So we'll walk back. Queen bed. Walk around on both sides of the bed. Overhead cabinets and wardrobes on both sides. There's a walk around on both. Have heat duct in the bedroom, AC duct. Nice wardrobe bar. Here's your air conditioning and furnace controls. Very nice bathroom as well. Has a door for security or privacy. Nice sink. Foot flush stool. Linoleum flooring, looky there. Heat duct in the bathroom. Air conditioning duct in the restroom. Power vent. Generator's running, lights are on. Nice and toasty in here. I'll pan back a little bit for you. There's a nice view. Linoleum flooring, then it has carpeting. Nice sofa. Dinette, very clean. If you would, please look on the internet, paulsherryrvs.com, or give us a call, 1-800-678-4188. Thank you so much, and look us up and give us a call. Thank you.